Thank you so much. maa ngi nuyu ñëpp di leen dalal xam naa ne du protocol to alaawu sax moom mooy suñu kilifa si council bi mu am ba pare maa ngi see teg baat since it's decision made by her ma sànni si lu tuuti dalal leen seen dyslexia Trust Gambia and also the organization. I promise. It's a very catchy name. So what you have promised is very, enticing for everybody. So welcome once again. Come Nico to Lord Mayor, to the Banjul City Council. Definitely, welcome with open arms, and then introduce na Rafaela, the able Rafaela membership. Rafaela, definitely. Without them, I think it's not difficult for Banjul City Council achieve some of our objectives, because they're doing very well, not just for Banjul, but the entire country. So, Nyun as a council, we are proud, very proud to associate with them and to help in ensuring that such objectives are achieved. So, Dolly si wahi Lord Mayor, partnering with them, I think it's the right thing to do, definitely, because I don't think you can have a better partnership with anybody else, because societies in track record, they have achieved a lot over the years. As a city council, we can attest to that. They have transformed many lives, not just women and girls, but also because jigéen ak xale soo leen dimbale na réew, because ñoo xamee kër yi ñoo xamee fu nekk. So as men, as he for she, and we are always proud to associate with them. And then partnership, count us in Sibir. Even though you're signing an MOU with them, but you're also signing it with BCC in extension. Because new system buying the new then board, and then I hope this turns out to be a very, very fruitful one. So, for our part, man as the deputy mayor, we're always strongly behind our leadership. Lord Mayor, first female mayor in the history of the Gambia. Legacy, we owe it to ourselves and everybody to make sure firmly protect and preserve Comodesco. Wherever it can serve as an example to others. Thank you so much.
So let's allow our guests